Hi everyone, I am Hitesh Salwani, graduate from Jain City College, Bhopal. Honestly, I never thought that I would be getting such a great job because as a student, everybody thinks that students from IITs or NITs only get such opportunities and they are only able to crack such jobs. But when I got the opportunity, I worked hard and I cracked it, and I feel really happy about it. The greatest credit for my achievement goes to my parents, who supported me throughout my journey right from the school, and then secondly to my teachers and my friends for always believing in me and helping me out in every way they can. So teachers helped me a lot throughout my journey. Whenever I had a doubt, they were always there to solve it. And if I needed access to labs for doing my projects, or if there were less number of students sometimes in class, then I would request them to go to labs and let me do projects. And during hackathons also, they supported me a lot by letting me do projects and sometimes skip classes, but then again they would give me assignments and I would. My parents helped me by putting me into a good school, and that created the base foundation which really helped me after getting into college. And the self-learning thing that came into me was because of them only. So I did not actually count how many hours, but it usually ranged from like 4 to 6 hours daily, including viewing video lectures or coding or studying for college, like everything combined apart from college. The one advice that I would like to give to my juniors is that they should believe in themselves, they should work hard, they should keep their targets, they should set high targets for themselves, and they should spend more time in self-learning than going to coachings or other classes. And they should practice daily, and especially coding, because that is asked a lot on paper coding, online coding, stuff like that. Okay, so the driving force for me was to always get better and better and better every day. So at first I was placed in Koni, then I thought to myself I can do better. Then I went for persistent, and then also I thought I can do much better. Then I was also rejected from some companies, and that also that inspired me a lot, that I have to do more and more and more, and that is the reason that I was able to crack this big company. Okay, so the different thing that I did was I never went to any coachings. I devoted as much time as I could in self-learning. I did courses, online courses from Udemy, Coding Ninjas, and then solved problems on HackerRank, LeetCode. Also read interview experiences on Geeks for Geeks, because that is really important to know that people that have been interviewed before, how was their experience. You get to learn a lot from them. So most of the time I was sitting on my computer only, but I was doing a lot of research here and there. So instead of going to coaching, I spent that time in sitting.